part of the Whirlpool State Park in Niagara Falls, New York. Looking downstream, there's a Whirlpool. This is the water process generating station located in Lewiston, New York.
All the way over there. Look how far away we are from our train.
The Aerocar suspended on 6
Alright, so now we are at the bottom of the canyon on the Whitewater Walk. And we'll even get a closer look. Wow. Some powerful water. What do you think of this, Cole?
Big.
Huh?
Cool.
Yeah. Would you want to go whitewater rafting on that?
Oh, yeah.
You would? Hey, baby. Cole says he wants to go whitewater rafting on this.
Oh, wow. That would be fun. That'd be quite fun.
I mean, just the sheer power. Try to get up even closer.